guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. I'm going to answer that question here for you. I hope you're watching. I got to cut my nails. I hit one the other day and it's kind of broke. Anyway, the question was, is it still worth offering ink fingerprinting? None of the services that we talk about are going away, period. They're not going away. Now, are they in demand the same amount every day? Is a different question. So the question behind the question is, can I make a living in doing ink fingerprinting? Maybe in some areas. I don't make a living doing ink fingerprinting. Is ink fingerprinting part of the services that I offer? Yes. Right? So, hold on. I'm trying to read this. Okay. Yeah, I don't make an actual living doing ink fingerprinting, but it is one of the services that I offer, and I do the service. I did a video a couple weeks ago, so I don't get that question every day, or that request every day rather. But what I do typically every day is some general notary work or some law signing work every day. Apostilles for me is not an everyday thing. Watch this nut, because ain't nobody letting her out and she do not know how to drive. I shouldn't call a lady a nut, but I just don't want her to tear up my car. Yeah, so what was I saying? I forgot just that quick. Do you remember that? Yeah, I was talking about ink fingerprinting. Oh, apostilles too. So I do apostilles, but I don't get that call every day. Now, I was getting it every day when I actually made a mistake and ran a Google ad. So when I ever want to do them every day, all day, I'll run a Google ad. Because I was like, why is my phone ringing so much for apostilles? I was trying to test something for the group, doing membership. Doing ads rather, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah, doing ads. And they put a grocery store out here. Savers, they put a grocery store out here. I think that's a grocery store. Anyway, so I was trying to test something for the group with ads, and I realized I was running an ad. I said, oh my goodness. So let's see what's going on in this group. We have some comments. Hey, Stephanie. How are ya? What's up? Stephanie says, hey, Notary fam. How would I advertise fingerprinting? Stephanie, you are in the mentorship program. Have you taken the ink fingerprinting course? I'm going to tell you, of course, but have you taken the course? The lighting is terrible. It might just be.
Do I need to move?
No, you could. I'll just do like that for a minute. When do I need to go over Jeff's side? Because it's a little darker. Maybe I'll sit over there for a minute. Hold this for me. Hold on, I'm about to answer y'all questions. Hold on. Okay. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's a little better. There's too much sun over there. So let me get your questions. So Stephanie, are you not yet? You have not taken the course yet. So yes, Stephanie, take the course. I'm gonna tell you right now, but take the course. So you advertise it on your Google page. You put ink fingerprinting, you put some pictures, you list it as a product, and people will call you. Again, it's not all day, every day, but they will call you. Okay? So check out the ink fingerprinting course, because I know you are in mentorship. Okay? So
And you don't have to rush to do that. I want to make sure, if you want to rush to do something to make money quickly, it's going to be field inspections because they usually hit really quick. Okay. Royal Netix says, or next, Netix, I need to make money with my commission. Yes, many of you, Royal Netix, you're not by yourself. What state are you in? Many of you have your commission and don't know how to make money with it. Turn that commission into cash. Turn that commission into cash. And that comes with knowledge. It comes with knowledge. So you can self-teach, take a few years and learn it, or you can come over to mentorship and learn it in a couple months. Yeah, for real, you can. So New York. Oh yeah, you should be making some money in New York. You just need to learn how to do it. How long have you been a notary? Stephanie says, I have to get my Google page up. I'm not in a rush. Thank you. Yes, once you get that Google page up, now it depends on how fast you're trying to make money. You might need to be in a little rush. But you do need to get the Google page set up, and then you can start listing all these different services. And people will find you. So how are they finding me for ink fingerprinting, apostilles, translation services, all this stuff I talk about? It's on my Google page. And not only that, I have a website, guys. And on my website, I list all the my watch thing just came off. I list all these different services too. Because I lost this one time, my watch cover. So I want to make sure I don't lose that. Okay. Well, this is live, y'all, so anything can happen. But I want to make sure I don't lose my watch cover. Because I had bought another one and I just did not like it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I had bought another one day and I just did not like it. So this one I love and I'm not trying to lose it. So hold on. Okay, what other questions do we have? Let me see. Royal Netix says, I've done random jobs, 1.5 years closings. Okay, cool. Okay, so you feel pretty comfortable with the long closing part? And why is your business not running the way you want it to? Is it because advertising? Are you still a little uncomfortable with the documents? What's the problem? Why are you not making any money with your commission? Trying to work it around your 9 to 5. Okay. The best thing I would recommend, since you're trying to work it around your 9 to 5, is you can be open only on a Saturday or only on a Sunday, or both Saturday and Sunday, depending on what your schedule is like. A lot of times people, that's how they get started, and then they realize, wait a minute, I'm leaving a lot of money on the table. And I know that the government is back open. A lot of people are like, well, that's over with. Have a plan for next time, people. And it still ain't completely open yet. People still are not getting paychecks. Have a plan for next time. Have your commission at least where if I need it, I can brush it off and go and start making some money. And even as a part-time hustle, could any of you use an extra $500-$600 a month? I ain't even talking that you got to make $10,000 a month. A couple $100 a month. $600. Have something of your own. Have your own business. Have your own business. So if you working a 9 to 5, you can't do what I'm doing. That's fine. I do this full time all day. Somebody jamming. I hope his music ain't in my video though. Y'all can't hear it, I hope, because YouTube will block that so quick you make your head spin. They playing Gap Band. It sounds good, but I don't want it in my video. Yearning for your love. Okay. I know that's not why y'all here, but I do like music, y'all. I grew up on music. I'm from Detroit, so we do some music. Everybody like music though. But I am from the Motor City, so music was pretty important. Cars and music, for real. When you hear people say that about Detroit, it's true. Hello. Good. Cars and music. That's facts right there. So yeah, you can just do it on the weekend though. Saturdays or Sundays. You don't have to do it every day like me, because you can't, because you're working. But you can do all day Saturday, all day Sunday. People need notaries all day long. And matter of fact, your people that's working like me Monday through Friday. Now I'm open 7 days a week. People laugh at that all the time. I am open 7 days a week. But sometimes if on the weekend, if I don't want to do it, I'll find me another notary. you know, or maybe I'm out of town. It could be any reason why I might need somebody else to go do it. Maybe they're too far from me. And a lot of your people that work Monday through Friday, don't even as a notary, the weekend come, they close.